any new restaurant has to develop an identity. Untitled implies a certain sense of mystery and evolution.
My name is Suzanne Cups. I'm the chef de cuisine of Untitled and Studio Cafe.
My name is Michael Anthony. I'm the executive chef and director of Untitled and Studio Cafe. When you look at the High Line from above, you see these clean lines that stretch all the way up through the neighborhood. But yet you have the landscaping on the High Line that is kind of a little wild and overflowing its boundaries. That same sort of aesthetic finds its way onto the plate. Visually, there's a really interesting confusion between indoor space and outdoor space. Transparency means to the architect one thing, and yet a completely different meaning when it comes to food.
It's a really cool space to experience something culturally like art, as well as come and have a really delicious meal, and that they're not completely separate, that they're actually intertwined.